Have you ever wondered if there's an SUV out there that's both affordable and so reliable it feels like it'll never break down? The truth is, most budget-friendly cars come with concerns about reliability and repair costs after a few years. But surprisingly, there are SUVs, backed by consumer reports and thousands of owners, that can go hundreds of thousands of miles with just basic maintenance. In this video, we'll dive into 7 standout options. Affordable SUVs that last, giving you peace of mind on the road without unexpected repair bills. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. List of 7 must-buy SUVs, main content. 7. Chevrolet Equinox. If you're hunting for an affordable SUV that's tough enough for the long haul, the Chevrolet Equinox is worth a serious look. Starting at around $28,000, the Equinox offers a compact, family-friendly ride that's approachable without feeling cheap in a bad way. Consumer Reports has noted its low rate of minor issues, which means fewer trips to the mechanic and more money saved for weekend adventures. The Equinox shines with its engine options. The standard 1.5L turbo delivers impressive fuel economy, up to 28 mpg in the city and 39 mpg on the highway. That's perfect for daily commutes without draining your wallet at the pump. Want a bit more power? The optional 2.0L turbo provides strong acceleration and confidence for passing while still keeping fuel costs reasonable. Inside, the Equinox isn't flashy, but it's comfortable and user-friendly for both drivers and passengers. There's enough space for 5, with cozy seats and an intuitive entertainment system that's easy to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. Owners love this simplicity. It delivers convenience without the risk of finicky, high-tech features breaking down. In short, the Equinox is ideal for anyone wanting a reliable, steady SUV that won't surprise you with costly repairs. It's not the flashiest ride out there, but it's a dependable road buddy that gives you confidence every time you turn the key. Altıncı Mazda CX-5. While the Chevrolet Equinox wins with practicality, the Mazda CX-5 steals hearts at first glance. This is a rare SUV in the affordable segment that feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. Many owners say, the CX-5 feels like a luxury car, but with maintenance costs like a regular one. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the CX-5 among the most reliable SUVs. Though some recent models have shifted slightly from outstanding to good or very good, it remains a safe bet for a vehicle that rarely acts up. Imagine driving 100,000 miles or more with just routine oil changes. That's the kind of peace of mind the CX-5 delivers, something few competitors can match. What's more, the CX-5 is a blast to drive. Its precise steering, smooth cornering, and sturdy chassis make some owners compare it to a sporty sedan dressed as an SUV. Paired with a 2.5L engine that balances power and efficiency, it's nimble in city traffic and confident on highways. The interior is another big win. Comfy seats, premium materials, excellent sound insulation, and a sleek, minimalist design make the CX-5's cabin feel like a relaxing retreat, not just a mode of transport. For those who often hit the road for long drives, this is a game changer that keeps the CX-5 a favorite among owners. So, if you want a reliable SUV but refuse to compromise on driving fun or refined design, the Mazda CX-5 is a rare gem, durable, stylish, and smart for your wallet in the long run. 5. Kia Sportage. When it comes to affordable yet durable SUVs, the Kia Sportage often gets overlooked, dismissed as a backup option in its class. But the reality tells a different story. The Sportage showcases Kia's evolution from a budget brand to one known for high reliability. According to Consumer Reports, the Sportage consistently scores above average, and with proper care, this SUV can easily last 150,000 to 200,000 miles without major issues. That's not just a number, it's peace of mind for every trip. The Sportage isn't built for showing off speed, but it delivers a smooth, pleasant driving experience for everyday life. Its engine is capable enough for city commutes or longer trips, while its fuel efficiency keeps you from wincing at the gas pump. With its compact design, the Sportage is a breeze to maneuver in tight urban streets or to park without a hassle. Step inside, and you'll be surprised that the Sportage doesn't feel cheap despite its price. The interior is refined, with well-finished materials, supportive seats, and a user-friendly infotainment system that anyone can pick up quickly. This balance of practicality and a better-than-its-price feel is why owners love it. They don't feel like they're compromising with an affordable SUV. With the Sportage, Kia quietly promises you don't need to spend tens of thousands extra for a reliable, comfortable SUV. It's a smart choice for anyone wanting a long-lasting vehicle that rarely breaks down, fits a modern lifestyle, and stays budget-friendly. The Sportage may not be the flashiest star, but it's a dependable companion you won't regret choosing. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. 4. Hyundai Tucson. If the Kia Sportage brings practicality and approachability, the Hyundai Tucson is like the Swiss Army knife of compact SUVs. Don't let its affordable price fool you into thinking it's basic. This SUV adapts to all kinds of lifestyles, from small families needing comfort to young adventurers craving exploration. Consumer Reports ranks the Tucson among the least troublesome SUVs in its segment, meaning you'll rarely face unexpected repair bills. Instead of watching your money disappear at the mechanic, you can spend it on weekend getaways, road trips, or just enjoying life. That's the true value of a reliable vehicle. Inside, the Tucson surprises with a spacious, airy cabin that comfortably fits a family and their luggage for long trips. The materials and design feel upscale, offering more comfort than you'd expect for the price. The infotainment system and central display are intuitive and easy to use. You'll get the hang of it in minutes. On the road, the Tucson offers a range of engines, from fuel-sipping options for city driving to more powerful ones for light off-road adventures. Its available all-wheel drive, AWD, system handles confidently in rain, snow, or slippery conditions, giving drivers peace of mind in tough climates. This versatility makes the Tucson a favorite in diverse environments. In short, the Tucson isn't just a good enough SUV. It's a smart pick for those who want more from their vehicle: durability, comfort, versatility, and affordability. It's not flashy, but it'll put a smile on your face every time you start the engine, and that's a value few competitors in its class can match. 3. Honda CR-V. If you had to pick an SUV synonymous with peace of mind, the Honda CR-V would be near the top of the list. It's an icon in many markets, thanks to its perfect blend of reliability, practicality, and reasonable ownership costs. Many owners proudly share that their CR-V has surpassed 200,000 miles with just routine oil changes, still running as smoothly as day one, a feat few competitors can match. What sets the CR-V apart is its keep it simple, keep it trouble-free philosophy. Its 1.5L turbo or 2.4L naturally aspirated engine may not scream high performance, but they're rock-solid, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain. These are the kind of engines that let you start your day without worrying about surprise repair bills. With an average fuel economy of 28 to 34 mpg, the CR-V is also a great pick for those looking to save on gas over the long haul. The interior is another big win. The CR-V offers a spacious cabin, comfortable seating for the whole family, and a versatile cargo area, making it a trusty companion for both road trips and daily life. The intuitive dashboard, smart connectivity, and supportive seats mean you can drive for hours without feeling worn out. On the road, the CR-V doesn't thrill like a sports car, but it delivers a smooth, comfortable ride like a large sedan disguised as an SUV. Its suspension soaks up bumps well, and the light yet precise steering inspires confidence in city traffic or on the highway. In short, the Honda CR-V knows how to win people over. It's not overly flashy or complicated, but it's always reliable, efficient, and trustworthy. If you want a vehicle that lets you enjoy the journey instead of stressing about repairs, the CR-V is your golden ticket to worry-free adventures. 2. Toyota RAV4. If the Honda CR-V is your reliable friend, the Toyota RAV4 is the legendary gatekeeper of compact SUVs. It's not just a favorite in the US, but also top sales charts in markets worldwide. What makes the RAV4 such a safe bet? 2 words: unmatched reliability. According to Consumer Reports, the RAV4 has consistently earned top reliability scores for the past 5 years, a record few rivals can touch. Choosing a RAV4 isn't just buying a car, it's investing in peace of mind every time you turn the key. Owners often report their RAV4s clocking over 200,000 miles with only basic maintenance costs, making it a smart long-term investment. Driving the RAV4 isn't about heart-pounding excitement, but it has a smooth, solid feel that many drivers crave. Its 2.5L engine strikes a balance between power and efficiency, paired with a dependable transmission and drivetrain that won't give you headaches. With fuel economy averaging 27 to 35 mpg, you can hit the road without watching your wallet shrink at every gas station. The RAV4's interior is another strong point. It's spacious, with comfy seats and a cargo area big enough for family road trips. The modern design, sturdy materials, and user-friendly infotainment system make the experience both welcoming and convenient. Let's be real. The RAV4 isn't the cheapest SUV on this list, and its starting price might make some hesitate. But look at the bigger picture. Its exceptional durability keeps repair costs low, its resale value stays higher than most competitors, and the total cost of ownership over the vehicle's life is among the lowest in its class. In other words, the Toyota RAV4 is for those who don't want to take risks. It may not blow you away at first glance, but it'll keep you smiling for years every time you start the engine and hit the road. 3. Subaru Forester. If you're looking for an SUV that combines durability, safety, and long-term value, the Subaru Forester deserves the top spot. It's not a flashy vehicle, but it's a reliable companion, ready for anything from city streets to snowy mountain roads. Consumer Reports has consistently ranked the Forester among the most dependable SUVs. Owners often report their Foresters running smoothly beyond 200,000 miles with just basic maintenance. That means fewer trips to the repair shop and more unforgettable journeys with family and friends. This durability is why the Forester frequently appears on buy once, drive for life lists. A standout feature of the Forester is its standard all-wheel drive AWD system, something many competitors charge extra for. Subaru considers AWD part of its brand DNA, giving the Forester confidence in rain, mud, or snow-covered slopes, a practical advantage that's hard to beat. The Forester's interior follows a just-right approach, not overly fancy, but spacious, user-friendly, and comfortable. The roomy cabin, supportive seats, and excellent visibility create a safe, cozy environment. Subaru's EyeSight suite of driver assist features further cements the Forester's reputation as an SUV that thinks and protects for you. While the starting price isn't the cheapest, the long-term ownership costs are remarkably reasonable. With readily available parts, high durability, and minimal minor issues, the Forester saves you money despite its unassuming look. In summary, the Subaru Forester doesn't promise glitz, but it delivers lasting value. Peace of mind. If you want a safe, reliable SUV that conquers any weather and stays by your side for the long haul, the Forester is a worthy champion. The 7 SUVs on this list share a common thread: affordability, high reliability, and low repair costs. From the practical Chevrolet Equinox, the refined Mazda CX-5, the durable Kia Sportage, the versatile Hyundai Tucson, the balanced Honda CR-V, and the legendary Toyota RAV4 to the safety-focused Subaru Forester, each offers long-term peace of mind. These are smart choices for anyone seeking a vehicle that's built to last, rarely breaks down, and holds its value over the years. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.